Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the song Yeshua. So the song, I changed the key. The verse I played in C minor, A flat, E flat, and B flat, when originally they start in D minor, but I changed it a little lower. So I'm going to show you how to play that first, and then I will show you the original key. So this is how the verse sounds. So the first chord is C minor, and C minor, if you don't already know your chords, that would be super helpful if you do. So C, the chord of C is C, D, E, F, G. But with minor, you're going to use one of these black keys. So it would be C, E flat, and G. That's C minor. And then on your left hand, you play C and G. Okay. Then after that, it's A flat, and A flat sounds like this. A flat, C, and E flat. And then on this other hand, just the first and the last. Then after A flat, you play E flat. So E flat's like this. And you could always use the E flat on this side, but I like the lower one, just because I feel like it fills it up a little more. So that would be E flat, G, A flat. Okay, and then over here, E flat and A flat. And then the last one is B flat. And it's B flat, D, and F. And over here, B flat and F. Okay. So when I play the song, I usually start off slow. My beloved is most beautiful. So I'm just playing the middle key with the bass, and then I switch to E flat. You can also just do the whole chord. My beloved is the most beautiful. But for me personally, I like to start off slow, and sometimes just play the single keys of the chord. But that is your verse, and now let's move on to the chorus. So the chorus uses the chords A flat, B flat, C minor, and G minor. So A flat, you already know how to play. And then B flat, you already know how to play too. And C minor. And then G minor. G minor is G, A flat, and D. And then G and D. Okay. So the chorus, sometimes I like to play the melody with it, since it's the Yeshua part, and it sounded like this. Yeshua. So you start off with the A flat chord, but you would play the single keys. So you go B, switch to B flat chord and play this one, and then C minor chord and this one. So as you notice, I'm playing the middle key of the chord, and then you jump to G and then to G minor, or you can go. Okay, so again, Yeshua. So again, the single keys would be C, B flat, C, C, D, E flat, E flat, and then G, D. So again, Yeshua. And then with the chords, Yeshua. And that is the entire song. Now I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with the original key that they used. So the key that Jesus Image used was in the key of D minor. That's what they started in. They started in the key of D minor. So it sounds like this. Then they go to B flat and F and then C. So there's just a little higher. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands, among thousands. And their chorus was B flat, C, D minor, A minor. So there should be Yeshua. Alright guys, so I hope that tutorial was helpful and that you were able to learn the song. Leave some comments down below if you still had some questions, and I will do my best to help you out. Yes, I do plan on uploading more tutorials in English as well as in Spanish. I'll do my best to get them up as soon as I can. Sometimes it might take me a little bit because I have to add words and chords in there and stuff, but I will do my very best, guys. Thank you so much for following along, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.